Yo, what's up, guys? It's a new day, and I'm chilling. Today is a laundry day, so I'm going to take you in the process, which I normally do. Well, let's say when I want to wash my clothes. So this is how can I put it? So there's no water, so I have to fish with these containers. Then after fishing, then this is the next part, which is actually funny. Washing, as you can see, in the bathroom, which actually remaining, the clothes remaining, which I haven't washed, and I'm actually in the process of washing them also. Welcome to today's vlog. Be part of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And actually, you can tell me what to do. Yeah, that's all. You know what? It's actually a beautiful day. So why don't you just subscribe to the channel? I'll actually appreciate it. So I actually want to wash all of this, then go and how can I say it? Guanica. Always. And the fun part about living in this apartment of single rooms, the bathroom and the toilet outside, so there's a problem you have to deal with every single day. Sometimes you use the bathroom and someone come and touch it, yeah. So let's go. Instead of using brush, it makes work easier, It is not advisable. Yeah. Hello, guys. Just smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to show you more and more and more of this kind of stuff. There is no one who have ever shown such a side of lifestyle. There is always a village vlog and those who have made it, but there is no bad. It's not middle class. I think it's lower class. I'm not yet in the middle class now. So that's why the middle class, I think they have the shower inside the house and the toilet, but not us. This is the life of washing now. And it's kind of fun, washing yourself. Yes, boys, men do wash clothes, Not boys, men. So I'm almost done with the laundry part, so
yes, part of washing. Using your hands. No.
Trav, Nick Connors. Yo, girl, this is your night. I'ma make you feel right. Let's say your heartbreak gone. Now she's so strong. Now she on a higher level, you gotta be on. This is her show now, you gotta perform. If you don't like it, then you better be gone in the morning. She won't roll over. All she got is her. When it's all over, looking at her.
Okay, this is the part of now rinsing it. I've actually washed it, so I'm going to rinse it like 3 times. So I'm going to change water in this basin, then wash it again. I don't know, in future I might have a laundry machine, but for now, washing this
Throw it back. And you killing that dress all black. It's always the worst sex once you back. I don't even care, let me be there. I can see your tears get long like your hair. Everybody's singing and they standing on chairs. I only got your song in my ears. I'm singing like
I see her from across the room and I wanna know her name. I wanna touch her skin real soon. I'll even play her game. She said, oh.
I'm going to put it, you know. So.
Come here, baby. If you like what you're seeing, I'ma tell you right now, you better be good to me. Girl, I'ma take you home tonight. You can use someone to treat you right. I tell you right now, you really look good to me. We go, we flow, your hands in mine. In space and time, our stars collide. This time we're gonna get love right. My good, it's more than just one night. We glow, turn off the lights. It's time you show your heart to mine. This time you're gonna get love right. My good, it's more than just one night.
yeah, I can read minds, yeah, I know what you want. Hands gripping on your thighs, I am holding you up. Wanna see you all the time, and it's never enough. Whoever said love is blind was never in love. Yeah, the click flow sticky, and we still on
Not that, but yeah, that I'm actually recording this. That is actually nice. So I'm almost done.
We could just freestyle, we don't make no plans. If the love Paris, we could still be friends in
I
the
see
end.
her from across the room and I wanna know her name. I wanna touch her skin real soon. I'll even play her game. She said, oh, come here, baby. If you like what you're seeing, I'ma tell you right now, you better be good to me. Girl, I'ma take you home tonight. You can use someone to treat you right. I tell you right now, you really look good to me. We go, we flow, your hands in mine. In space and time, our stars collide. This time we're gonna get love right. My good, it's more than just one night. We glow, turn off the lights. It's time you show your heart to mine. This time you're gonna get love right. My good, it's more than just one night.
Come on, shine, girl, shine. This is your night, this your time. Drink wine, baby girl, while you wine. Drink wine, baby girl, while you wine. Come on, yeah, shine, girl, shine. This is your night, it's your time. Drink wine, baby girl, while you wine. Drink wine, baby girl, while you wine. Let's go.
I see her from across the room and I wanna know her name. I wanna touch her skin real soon. I'll even play her game.
because of the trouser. So, no, actually, I think it has been 6 minutes. So I won't waste this water. I'll actually use it to wash the toilet as it gets. So, what else? Kamba zote zimejaa. Akia, you guys can imagine. All there. It's like people knew that I was actually washing my clothes. Yes. It's actually full. So I must look for an alternative way of actually hanging my clothes. Number 1 challenge. This is actually a challenge. It's actually crazy. Damn. Stop. Mr. Mungus. It's crazy. So this is the only place I've remained without hanging clothes. It's actually crazy, guys. This is the correct food. The darkness in my face, you know. So I have to. Damn. When will first hang out like this? This will be crazy. I have to look for an alternative way of actually hanging my clothes, you know. Okay, I'm actually done with washing clothes. Now, the remaining part is cleaning the bathroom, leaving it as clean, you know. Actually use it, so there's no way I can use it and leave it in a dirty state, you know. Now they say that cleanliness is next to goodness. I don't think that this cleanliness, okay. I think any cleanliness, if you're clean out, so inside you fucking clean. That is the hardest part of actually living. Cleaning part. Yeah. Next step. I need actually to fix this. Water. Okay. Fine.
bucket.
It has not yet been connected, so we use the available sources. So that's it. So see you on the next time. Okay, actually done for a day, and actually forgot to record, but actually told myself to record, to say that you can actually comment, subscribe, and see the next video. Today is actually round of day and laundry day, so that's what I did, and I hope it's good, and I'll do more vlogging part. I want to, how can I put it? Damn. Improve more and more. So welcome. See you tomorrow.